If you've been keeping an eye on the Linux world, you've probably noticed that Fedora continues to push the boundaries of what a modern desktop operating system can be. With Fedora 43, that reputation has only grown stronger. This release isn't just another routine update filled with minor bug fixes and a few cosmetic tweaks. Instead, Fedora 43 delivers a polished, high-performance experience that showcases the latest innovations in Linux while remaining stable enough for developers, professionals, creators, and enthusiasts alike. It represents the cutting edge of open-source technology, often introducing features months before they become common in other Linux distributions. That's exactly why Fedora has become the preferred choice for users who want tomorrow's Linux today. Juan Av Fedora. 43's biggest strengths is its commitment to providing the newest software without sacrificing reliability. Unlike rolling release distributions that constantly update every package, Fedora follows a carefully planned release cycle that ensures users receive thoroughly tested software every few months. This balance allows Fedora to stay remarkably current while maintaining excellent stability, whether it's the latest Linux kernel, updated system libraries, or newer desktop environments. Fedora users benefit from cutting-edge technology packaged in a dependable operating system. Performance is another area where Fedora 43 truly shines, thanks to continuous improvements in the Linux kernel, system scheduling, memory management, and hardware optimization. The operating system feels incredibly responsive, and resource utilization is impressively efficient. Modern processors from both Intel and AMD benefit from improved scheduling algorithms, while laptops enjoy better power management that extends battery life without compromising speed. Even users with older hardware often notice smoother performance compared to previous Fedora releases. Fedora 43 also continues to embrace Wayland as its default display server, delivering a more secure and modern graphics experience. Animations feel fluid, screen tearing is virtually eliminated, and high refresh rate monitors perform exceptionally well. Multi-monitor setups have become increasingly reliable, making Fedora a fantastic option for users with complex workstation configurations. Combined with updated graphics drivers and the latest Mesa stack, gaming and graphical applications benefit from significant improvements in both compatibility and performance. The GNOME desktop included with Fedora 43 feels cleaner, faster, and more refined than ever. Every interaction from opening the activities overview to switching workspaces feels polished and responsive. GNOME's minimalist philosophy helps users stay focused while still providing powerful customization through extensions and system settings. Search is lightning fast, notifications remain unobtrusive, and the overall desktop experience feels cohesive. Fedora's developers work closely with the GNOME project, ensuring users receive one of the purest and most optimized GNOME experiences available on any Linux distribution. Developers have long considered Fedora one of the best Linux distributions for software development, and Fedora 43 reinforces that reputation. Container development is equally impressive thanks to Builda and Scapeo, which provide secure alternatives to traditional container management work. Virtualization also receives significant attention in Fedora 43. Running multiple operating systems simultaneously is straightforward, allowing developers to test software across different environments without needing separate hardware. Performance improvements make virtual machines feel increasingly close to native speed, while better hardware pass-through expands possibilities for advanced users. Security has always been a cornerstone of Fedora, and Fedora 43 builds upon that foundation. SLInux remains enabled by default, providing mandatory access controls that significantly reduce the impact of potential vulnerabilities. While some users once viewed SLInux as intimidating, years of refinement have made it largely invisible during everyday use. Combined with secure boot support, modern cryptographic libraries, regular security updates, hardware compatibility has improved dramatically as well. Fedora 43 supports a wide variety of laptops, desktops, workstations, and servers with minimal manual configuration. Wi-Fi adapters, Bluetooth devices, webcams, printers, USB proof, and high-resolution displays generally work immediately after installation. Support for the newest AMD and Intel processors continues to improve, while NVIDIA users can easily install proprietary drivers through third-party repositories if they require maximum graphics performance. For content creators, Fedora 43 provides an outstanding platform for productivity. Video editors, photographers, graphic designers, musicians, performance improvements in graphics drivers and multimedia frameworks contribute to smoother editing workflows, faster rendering times, and better hardware acceleration. Whether you're producing YouTube videos, creating digital artwork, or editing professional photography, Fedora offers a capable and reliable creative environment. Gaming on Fedora continues to improve with every release. Thanks to updated Mesa graphics drivers, Proton compatibility enhancements, Vulkan improvements, and excellent Steam integration, many Windows games now run surprisingly well. AMD graphics users especially benefit from open source driver development that often delivers outstanding gaming performance directly out of the box. Fedora's up-to-date software stack ensures gamers receive the newest graphics optimizations much sooner than users on many conservative Linux distributions. One feature that distinguishes Fedora from many competitors is its close relationship with Red Hat. Technologies that eventually power enterprise servers often appearing Fedora first, giving users early access to innovations that later become industry standards. This relationship means Fedora functions as both a community-driven distribution and an innovation platform where new ideas are refined before reaching enterprise deployments. Users benefit from professional engineering while remaining part of a vibrant open-source community. Package management remains efficient through DNF, which continues to evolve with faster dependency resolution and improved reliability. Installing software is simple, whether users prefer the command line or graphical software center. Flatpak support expands software availability significantly. This combination of traditional packages and Flatpaks gives Fedora users tremendous flexibility when managing their software ecosystem. Another impressive aspect of Fedora 43 is its diverse range of official editions and spins. Users who prefer KDE Plasma, XFCE, Cinnamon, LXQT, Mate. There are also specialized editions focused on servers, cloud computing, Internet of Things, deployments, and immutable desktop experiences like Fedora Silverblue, which introduces a revolutionary approach to operating system management through image-based updates and atomic upgrades. The Fedora community remains one of the project's greatest assets. Thousands of contributors worldwide help develop software. Tester releases translate documentation, fix bugs, and assist new users. Community forums, discussion boards, Shachi channels, and detailed documentation make it easy to solve problems or learn advanced Linux concepts. This welcoming environment helps newcomers grow while providing experienced users with opportunities to contribute back to the open source ecosystem. Ultimately, it combines cutting-edge software, outstanding performance, robust security, exceptional developer tools, modern desktop technology, and strong community support into a remarkably polished operating system. Whether you're a programmer building the next generation of applications, a content creator seeking a stable creative platform, a gamer exploring Linux gaming, or simply someone who wants a fast, secure, and modern desktop, Fedora 43 delivers an experience that feels both innovative and dependable. It isn't just keeping pace with the future of Linux, it's helping define it. Fedora 43 stands as a true Linux powerhouse, proving once again that open source innovation can compete with and often surpass the best operating systems available today.